Hello, dear students. I hope you all are doing good. Today I am here with the next lesson, that is a poem, Teamwork, from our English book Marigold. It is written by Jan Negro. Poem Teamwork. With the word teamwork, the very first question arises in everybody's mind is, what is teamwork? Teamwork is a combined effort or the action of a group to achieve a common purpose or goal. Now students, here is one question. Do you like to play or work with others? We can say some likes to play with others, but some don't like it. Let's see what the poem says. Let's sing and dance. Teamwork, teamwork, together we can make our dream work. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes an us. So students, in the poem, the poet wants to make us understand the importance of teamwork. Let us see the first paragraph first. Teamwork, teamwork, together we can make our dream work. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. Here, poets want to say that effort done by a team or a group can help us to make our dream work possible because everyone is there to help each other. Then, when the work gets completed, the whole team will share the happiness or joy together. When we work in a team, we can do the work easily because we have unity there. So, importance of teamwork we have learned from this paragraph. Now let us see the next paragraph. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. Here again the importance of teamwork is shown. Students, have you ever seen basketball game? I hope yes, you have seen. So, is it possible to play it alone? No. This game requires a team, a group of players. Every player passes the ball to other and try to shoot the ball in a hoop. Hoop means an iron or wooden ring trundled around by a child. You can see the picture. It's a hoop there where the child is trying to put the ball. Now moving to the next line. Again the poet is telling us about the teamwork. It's with the relay race. So relay race, same happens in the relay race. You know relay race? It is a race between teams of which each person does a part of distance, and they have to pass the baton to the partner and try to complete the race in less time. So if there is no teamwork, the relay race can go on. Now moving to the last paragraph. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me became an us. We are a part means we are an individual. But when we go together, we become whole means we become a team. When we work as an individual, it is not that much good as we do it in team. Sometimes it is good for us to work as a team instead of doing individually. So students, we can summarize it by saying that unity is the best policy. That was all about the poem, students. I hope you all have understood the meaning and importance of team and teamwork. So let us see some new words that we have learnt in this poem. See the first word. It's a teamwork. Combined effort of a group. Hoop, wooden or iron ring, trundled along by child. Passes, move onward. Relay race, race between team of which each person does a part of race. Baton, short tube or stick carried in a relay race. So that was all about the poem. Thank you all. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.